All right, Mr. Tholen, again, we're talking about Adobe Spark Video this time. I have one here I'm going to show you briefly, but as like anything else, if we want to start a new project, we hit the plus, we scroll over here to video, and we find something that looks kind of like what we want ours to look like. Do we want it to be square? Do we want it to be sort of a slideshow sort of thing? An explanation video? There's a few options here. Just start one and then start creating. Or you may always just start from scratch, any of these, and it's just a blank version if you just start wherever you want. So if we do that with video, you just have this blank, nothing is going on template. You just start by it asking you some questions. But let's go back because we want to look at the one we've already made. I'll show it to you. Miss Hall and I made this in about 5 minutes, very briefly. We recorded it with some different microphone situations, so don't do that. It'll get a better product, and you'll see what I'm talking about here later. Anyway, this is about our library at Union High School. It's playful and cheesy, so don't judge too harshly. This is actually how you build the video. This is what the whole screen looks like, but I'll show you the example first, and then we will
This is
take it from there.
This is the library at Union High School. The library also plays host to the WIT Media class and has a green screen room for all your video editing and filming needs. So come on down to the Union High School library.
There's the microphone
We can
switch.
fix your Chromebook.
You can check out a book too.
You can hear a dad joke
Just learn about life.
and hang out at the cubicle of domination.
Okay, and that's an example of how you can add a video. Not really relevant here. So this is how this is built. In the bottom here, you can see what all those different scenes look like. If I want to build on that, I go, excuse me. If I want to edit this and rebuild on that, we will get back to that screen, and then I'll show you what I was talking about here. If I click on one of these, it gives me options here. So this is a full screen. This one right here is full screen. Split screen, obviously, the starting one here, split screen. Caption is this one right at the bottom. Text or title and text is this one right here. So when you do these, it's really easy. On this one, I have voiced over. I just clicked the microphone and I said something. I said,
This is the library at Union High School.
right. If I don't like how that works, I record it again. I say, this is the library at Union High School. And then
This is the library at Union High School.
It'll automatically tell you how long it is by how much you talked. If I go over here to this one, I can actually change this and make it longer and shorter if I want. Because there's no words on the screen, it's just going to automatically have it, pop up there, go whatever distance, whatever length you want. So you just put these little clips in whatever order you like. You can have, if I want to add something in here, I hit the plus button. I can add an actual video I've already taken, something from my phone, something from my Chromebook, whatever. I can add text to it, add photos, and then icons like we saw in those other ones. If we want to put a camera on here because we're talking about photography, there's all these different icons we can pick from. The layout, that's what we started on here. The theme, you'll get you some different types of things to pick from. What the whole thing looks like in general, how themes work. Resizing it's just, making it square or 16 by 9. And then music, I added this one, I think. You can kind of hear it there in the background. I can turn it up if we want. If I want to go with a different sound, like I want to make it a little more intense, then I might go, okay, I'm sorry, that was not intense. Let's try this. Okay, it's kind of quiet, but it's kind of a little more exciting, or something cool is going to happen, which just whatever you're looking for in this thing. You can play around here. Scary movie. Just different stuff like that. So you can add all this on top of it, but you build it, and this is actually how I built it. If I want to move this and put it here, Just rearrange it. If I want to preview whatever this I have on the screen is, I hit the play button here. If I want to watch the whole thing, I hit the play button here like we did earlier.
Is a library.
So this is video, very easy to use. When you're done, again, you download this. And it takes a while before I can actually download it. And then I can put it on my YouTube channel. All of your Google accounts are attached to a YouTube account because that's how Google operates. Or you can just turn it in as is, wherever, put it in your drive, that sort of thing. We're going to close that. So this is video, and that's how this works. Hope this helps.